Hello everyone. In this short video, we will be looking at top 5 student finance hacks. If you are just joining us for the first time, be kind enough to subscribe and like our channel. Without wasting much time, let us look at the top 5 student finance hacks and how to apply them. Number 1. Start saving early and consistently. The earlier you start saving for college, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts can add up over time through the power of compound interest. Number 2. Consider attending a community college for the first 2 years. Community colleges often have much lower tuition than four-year colleges and universities, and credits earned at a community college can often be transferred to a four-year institution. Number 3. Look into grants and scholarships. Grants and scholarships are forms of financial aid that do not need to be repaid. There are many organizations, foundations, and schools that offer grants and scholarships to students. So be sure to do your research and apply for as many as you can. Number 4. Take advantage of tax credits and deductions. There are several tax credits and deductions available to help students and their families pay for college. These include the American Opportunity Tax Credit and the Lifetime Learning Credit. Number 5. Work part-time or participate in a work-study program. Working while in school can help offset the cost of tuition and other expenses. Work-study programs, which are offered by many colleges and universities, provide students with part-time employment on campus in exchange for their work. There you have the top 5 student finance hacks. Please subscribe to our channel and visit our website for more details.